Viewtravel is a proposal management and travel itinerary builder software that allows you to create emotional, engaging, and interactive selling experiences. Viewtravel is also a great productivity tool designed to help you close more deals. In this video, we will show you how to use Viewtravel and how to get started with the basics. In order to start your Viewtravel 14 days trial, go to view/travel.com and register. For that, you just need to click on Login or Create a View, and use your credentials. If you don't have them, click on Register, and create a user profile. Now, you are logged in. Click on Create a View, and start creating your first view. Give a name to your view, for example, Explore Morocco. Add a subtitle. This is not mandatory, you just need to complete the mandatory fields in order to make your first presentation. Add a departure place. You are able to look for regions, cities, villages, places, islands, national parks, theme parks, beaches, or even search by IATA code. The same for the destination field. You can add up to 50 places, locations, regions, theme parks, and much more. You have the ability to add to your proposals and travel itineraries more than 5,000 destinations. Viewtravel has a media database available for you to use, with more than 27,000 official videos, including 360 virtual reality videos, more than 500,000 hotels, and information about cruises and shipping companies. It has more than 35,000 destination photos, more than 40,000 activities, more than 1,200,000 restaurants. It has itinerary maps, and the best apps that support you, before, during, and after the trip. Now, let's visit Marrakesh and Casablanca. Define what type of view you wish to build. A view based on video? Or a view based on photos and images? Or do you prefer a view based on a thematic? If you would like to have Viewtravel creating awesome video views, or photo views for you, please, don't select any theme. Now, write a short overview of the trip. Select the type of trip. Destination, cruise, or cruise and stay. Search, and define the hotel you wish to present to your customers at each destination. Define the departure and return dates. When using the Import GDSPNR, or Reference ID number add-on, these fields are automatically populated. In the trial version this functionality is not available. You have the ability to present a budget, or financial proposal, to your customers. Leave the visible price field empty if you don't want to have the budget option available on the left menu of the view. Define the file number of your proposal. Click on See View, and check the result. Viewtravel has much more options available in order to add more value to your proposals and travel itineraries. Please, don't forget to check other tutorials, or Viewtravel learning videos. Our team is also available for a personalized one-to-one demo. Go to Viewtravel.eu or Inspiravia.com, and let us help you inspire your customers to close deals.